So today I'm going to share my learning about virtual environments in Python. So what is virtual environments? So virtual environments help in creating an isolated environment for Python projects. So an isolated working copy of Python which allows you to work on a specific project without worrying affecting other projects. It means like if one of your project needs Django 1.3 version and other needs Django 1.0 version, so if you will run on your machine, you need to install 1.3 for other project and then again 1.0 for other projects. Like, and there will be so many conflicts if you will not create virtual environment. So what virtual environment does, it takes the libraries or packages in several or isolated environment for your project, specific projects. So what is the benefit? It helps in installing dependencies and libraries in a separate space without affecting different projects and local system. This is the picture view of virtual environment. So you can work on different Python versions by creating different virtual environments, which contains different version of Django's and other several packages. So what are the prerequisites before working on virtual environment? We should have installed Python and PIP in our system, that is PyPy. And so how we can install virtual environment in our system using Windows machine. So let me open command prompt, open it as administrator. So let's use this command, pip install virtual environment, pip install virtual env. So I have already installed it in my system. So it will say requirement already satisfied. It is installed. And before this, let me show you Python is already installed in my system. So the command to check the version is Python -f version. So 3.7.4 is already installed. Let me see the PIP is installed or not. Yeah, it is. So yeah, PIP 20.1 is installed. Now let's check the version of virtual environment installed in our system. So yeah, virtual env version. So yeah, it's 16.7.0. So let's create a virtual environment now. So I'm inside a folder, learn Python, and let me copy this path and go to this folder. So here I am. Now I will create a virtual environment here in this folder. So the command to create virtual environment is virtual env, and the name of the virtual environment you want to provide. So any name you can give. I'm just giving VENV, virtual environment short form. It takes few seconds to create virtual environment. So yes, installation is done. I hit few enter command, that's why it shows like this. Let's go to the folder. So here inside this folder, we have a scripts folder, and inside that scripts folder, there's a file activate. So how we will activate our virtual environment? Let's see that. So to activate this virtual environment, we will go to that path, env and scripts. And we will just type activate. Yes, so this virtual environment is activated. See here, it shows that we are inside this virtual environment. Now whatever we will install, it will install in this virtual environment, not in whole system. So this is the magic, or this is the benefit of virtual environment. So we can install whatever packages and libraries we needed. So we will install and it will get installed in this virtual environment. So yeah, let's see how to deactivate. We just need to type deactivate and it will come out of this virtual environment. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.